Hi! We're back in my kitchen and tonight we're cooking pasta. Now everybody's heard of the Filipino style spaghetti. That's not what we're doing today. We're doing something a little bit Italian. It's just comprised mainly of parsley, garlic, and olive oil. In short, we're going to be doing a simple aglio. Sounds fancy, right? But I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's quite simple. Here you go.
So we're gonna start by adding some salt to our rapid boiling water, and we want it rapid boiling because we don't want the pasta to just sit in lukewarm water. We want it to boil right away. So I'm using gluten-free pasta here just because the husband has requirements. But feel free to use regular pasta and just cook it according to cooking instructions to about 80% done, I should say. And that's what I did here. As soon as we reach that cooking level, we just drain it and we save a little bit of pasta water. Don't rinse your pasta. I've seen a lot of chefs talk about this. Just don't rinse it, okay? Keep the starches intact. This is gluten-free already, so the texture is going to be quite different, and I don't want to rinse out the starches that isn't there, so I'm just gonna leave my pasta there. Remember, if you like our videos, just to please click subscribe and like, and maybe tell us what you think in the comments below. Next, we add the olive oil to our hot pasta, and remember when I said in the beginning that it's just a little bit Italian? That's because I cheat in this recipe and I put a knob of butter in there. I fry my garlic, which as you can see is thinly sliced, like really thinly, my parsley, and then drop my pasta back in. I just make sure I mix it around, and then I put in my pasta water. And this is just to ensure that I have something to cook my pasta the rest of the way. And I add a little bit of oregano, dried oregano at this point, and this is optional. You can put some chili flakes because I like a little bit of bite on my pasta. Now traditionally, I'm not sure if they put lemon. The recipe doesn't always call for lemon, but I like that it does work so well with the olive oil and the garlic, and trust me on this, with the spices in there. I just grate some cheese over my pasta. You know, on hindsight, I could have grated this before and then just added like handful into the pasta. You can do that, and that's it. Have a really good time recreating this recipe. That's it for me. Have a nice day. Bye.